Let's get the show on the road.
20.
Me too. Couple of bludgers.
Get up. 20 bitches.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, it was a millie.
That hand I'm going to stock it to that silver ball.
I think you're better, man.
That's the blue and pink wing one.
The clothesline just almost got the best out of it.
There's another millie in there. She's got 2 pink wings. Fucking, she's another good roller. Both of them are off the same cock that I lost. Shattered.